Today, I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing chicken and broccoli recipe. This one right here is jam-packed with so much flavor. Let's get into the recipe. So we are going to begin with just under 2 pounds of some boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I did use some kitchen shears to trim off any excess fat, and you could definitely use chicken breast if that's what you prefer. So all I'm doing here is just slicing them into bite-sized pieces, just like so, nice and simple. And once that's taken care of, we're gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. And you know we gotta season it proper. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course it will be down in the description box as well for you to reference to. So go ham, go crazy. Make sure your chicken is well seasoned up just like this. Moving on, we're gonna get a pan nice and hot, and we're gonna drizzle a little oil into that pan and drop that chicken right on in. We're gonna let it get a nice beautiful sear on that first side before we give it a flip. Let's say 2.5 to 3 minutes on that first side. Then we do indeed flip it over, let it cook for another 2-3 minutes on that second side, and we then remove it from the heat. Now that we have our chicken removed, we're gonna drizzle a little bit more oil into that same pan, and we're gonna drop our broccoli right on in. We're gonna let it kind of saute just for a couple of minutes, let's say 3 minutes. We're gonna saute them, and then we're gonna remove them from the heat and set it off to the side as we work on the sauce. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so. Everything is on your screen and in the description box, okay? Go ahead and just get every single one of these components into your pan. You want to have your heat to more of a medium at this point, and you want to just get everything together combined. Once we have that together, we are then going to reintroduce that chicken. We're going to reintroduce that broccoli, and we're going to get it simmering, baby. So in total, this has been simmering for, let's say, an additional 3-4 minutes. I like my broccoli more on the soft side, but if you prefer more of a crunch on your broccoli, you can kind of cut down on that time that is actually simmering. And in a second here, I took the excess sauce from the pan and I just drizzle it right over my plate. You're gonna see it here, it looks oh so beautiful. And you are pretty much ready to plate up and bust down with this one. This goes absolutely perfect with a plate of white rice. Man, so much flavor in this one right here. You for sure got to get in your kitchen and whip this one up. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. That's the only way for you to be notified, okay? Leave me a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.